What if I told you that every dollar you invest in real estate could create $5 worth of impact in your local community? That's right. Your investment doesn't just create wealth for you. It creates jobs, improves neighborhoods, and changes lives. In this video, I'm going to show you how real estate investment transforms communities and how you can be a part of it. Step 1. Transforming properties equals transforming neighborhoods. Here's the problem. Abandoned and rundown properties, they don't just look bad. They drag entire neighborhoods down. By lowering the property value, they attract crime and stopping people from wanting to invest. But when real estate investors like you and me step in, everything changes. Let me tell you a story about my hometown, Orlando, Florida. A few years ago, my company started flipping houses in the Paramore district of downtown Orlando, Florida. The neighborhood I'm talking about, it had a rough history. It was known as the ghetto, and it was definitely a place to avoid. Houses were abandoned, crime was high, and honestly, no one believed it could be turned around. Then the city stepped in and invested millions of dollars in 3 different stadiums right in the middle of this community. And that's when the magic started. We, along with some other real estate investors, began renovating houses there one by one. I'll never forget, one of the first houses we flipped there was so bad. There were holes in the walls, there were holes on the floor, there were rats everywhere. This building was dangerous, abandoned, and not in use. But we cleaned it up, renovated it, and turned it into a spectacular home for a new family. Fast forward to today, houses that were once worth only about $30,000 are selling for $300,000 plus. But it wasn't even just about the house. The ripple effect was incredible. The neighbors started cleaning up their yards, there were new businesses that opened in the area, and the entire community started to feel alive again. And here's the biggest takeaway. That's the power of real estate, guys. When you improve one property, you can inspire an entire block. And sometimes even the entire neighborhood can grow, thrive, and rebuild. Step 2, let's talk about supporting local economies and how investing $1 can equal $5 to the community. When you invest in a property, your money flows back into the community in ways that you probably don't even realize. For every dollar that you spend, contractors get paid and they spend their earnings locally. Materials are purchased from local suppliers. Small businesses like landscapers and staging businesses, they get more work too. Studies have shown that every dollar invested in real estate actually generates $5 in the local community. And this isn't just a short-term boost either. Those dollars keep circulating, going round and round, creating jobs, supporting families, and driving local growth. There's real-life impact too. On one recent project, we spent about $50,000 renovating a single-family home. That money didn't just pay contractors and buy materials. It helped the local hardware store hit their sales goal for that month. It supported a small landscaping company and even helped a local restaurant owner who saw more customers as the neighborhood started to improve. Not to mention the guys would go there for lunch. That's the beauty of the ripple effect in real estate investing. Pro tip, when you're planning your property, think beyond just the house. Every dollar that you spend is creating opportunities for somebody else. Step 3, let's talk about the long-term impact on property values. When you improve a property, you're not just raising its value, you're lifting an entire neighborhood, and here's how. All ships rise with the rising tide, and renovated homes increase the comps for surrounding properties. These rising values encourage other homeowners to invest in their homes as well, and better neighborhoods attract better schools, better businesses, and community resources. Here's an example. In the Paramore district that we've been talking about, we didn't just flip houses. By improving property after property, the neighborhood transformed into a place where families wanted to live, and the kids felt safe playing outside, and where local businesses could actually thrive. That is long-term generational impact, guys. Here's another pro tip for the biggest impact. If you want to make the biggest impact, look for undervalued neighborhoods with potential. These are the places where your investment can truly change lives. Hey guys, join the movement. What are you waiting for? We want to be a part of your real estate investing story, and so we've created a community that you can join for free. Inside our free school community, the link is in the description. You can meet with other like-minded real estate investors and entrepreneurs who are thinking like you, who want to network with you, and who want to do deals with you. You don't have to do this alone. Real estate investing is a team sport. So if you want to be a part of our community, come and join us. Over there, you can connect with people who've got deals. You can talk to people who are lending money. Guys, anything that you need to become a real estate investor, you can find through networking inside of our free school community. Like I said, it's so easy to join. All you got to do is find the link in the description and click on it. Once you're in the community, let me know that you saw this video and we can set up a strategy call together to talk about your real estate investing career and where you want to go next. These calls generally cost $500, but but I'll give it to you for free because you're going to mention this video. I want you to be proud about becoming a real estate investor and imagine being part of a community that's actually changing lives and bringing up, like I said, all ships rise in a rising tide. Real estate investors come in and lift up communities and create jobs. $1 turns into $5 for a community. What's better than that? For us guys, real estate's not just about profits. It's about creating legacy. It's about leaving the world better off than when we found it. Whether you're out there transforming rundown houses into beautiful homes for families to live in, or supporting local businesses, or if you're lifting an entire neighborhood, your investment as a real estate investor can create a ripple effect that will last generations. If you like this kind of content and this resonates with you, by all means, subscribe to our channel. We've got tons of other great content. We really want to be a part of your real estate investing story.